It is often said that the kitchen is the heart of any home. Extraction has often been seen as the poor, unglamorous relative of the appliance world, but the effective removal of the steam, smells and grease generated when cooking has many benefits. There are 5 main issues to consider with extraction, all of which make a difference. Incorrect ducting is the most common cause of both noise issues and poor ventilation.
We're measuring 2 things here. We're measuring air throughput and we're measuring pressure or resistance. High air throughput's good, low resistance is good. This is 150 mil ducting. But the most common form of ducting is 100 mil ducting.
That's noisy.
You can instantly see the importance of ducting. 4 inches, 100 mil ducting,
yes.
Very, very noisy, low air throughput, high pressure.
Up. Yes.
Let's just go back. This is the reason Miele recommends 150 mil ducting as a minimum.
In some kitchens, any kind of ducting is not possible. So whether to choose a recirculating cooker hood is another factor. These extract the air through charcoal filters to remove the smells and expel it back into the kitchen. Recirculating hoods are also easier to fit. A good recirculating hood is always better than a poorly functioning extraction system. Next, think about the type of cooking you do. If you regularly fry or cook with oil, it's best to have a cooker hood close to the hob. Grease is a heavy particle and does not move far, so the closer the hood is, the more effective it will be. The type of hob also makes a real difference. With induction cooking, the steam spreads out. Whereas with a gas hob, steam goes straight up in the shape of a candle flame because the hot air is escaping from around the sides of the pan. For induction cooking, you should fit a hood wider than the hob, but one the same size will be fine if you are using gas. Finally, the size of the room dictates the amount of extraction power you will need. Miele has made it really easy by including an online calculator on the website. Simply provide the room dimensions, or with open plan kitchens, the size of the immediate cooking area. You may need less power than you think. Having addressed the technical aspects of the installation, now let's think about the quality and function you should look for in a hood. Here at Miele, our cooker hoods are handcrafted at a bespoke facility in Arnsberg, Germany, so you can be confident of the product. A well-made appliance will feature multiple layered grease filters that are easy to clean. For example, Miele's have 10 metal layers and can easily be popped into the dishwasher. Something else to consider is how easy the hood is to clean. An internal design without sharp edges or dirt traps will save time and result in a cleaner hood. Energy efficiency in all appliances is important, so you may want to consider low energy motors and LED lighting, both of which will be cost effective to operate. Finally, one really useful feature ensures you get the most from your hood. With connectivity from Miele, simply by using the hob, the cooker hood will turn on automatically and proactively adjust to provide the perfect cooking environment. Let's finish by looking at the design aspects. Slimline telescopic models are for installation in wall cabinets above the hob for a modern and minimalistic design of kitchen. Built-in cooker hoods offer practically limitless installation options and are very popular in handcrafted kitchens. Ceiling hood. These stunning appliances are installed almost flush fit into the ceiling above the cooking island and are operated by remote control. Downdraft is installed flush fit into the cooking island and the motorised canopy rises when required. Wall decor cooker hoods are easily mounted onto a wall and remain the most popular type of hood, available in a wide variety of designs with many customisable options. Island decor cooker hoods are ideal for those who have a cooking island and can also be customised in size and colour to create a standout element in the heart of your kitchen. For further advice, do speak to your local kitchen appliance professionals.